In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear lower control arm on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 4 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using an 18mm socket, we're going to loosen the nut for the eccentric bolt. We're going to fully remove this nut and bolt later. For now, we're just going to keep it loose. Install the jack under the control arm. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. Use a pry bar to help the control arm out of the knuckle. We're going to slowly go down on our jack, taking the tension off of the spring. Do not let any space in between the jack and the control arm. It is under tension from the spring and it will pop out. Let the control arm down until there's no tension on the spring. Pull down on the control arm and remove the spring. Using an 18mm wrench to hold the head of the bolt, use an 18mm socket to remove the nut. Remove the nut. Remove the eccentric spacer. Using an 18mm socket, we're going to try and get the bolt to move in the bushing for the control arm. In our case, the bolt is nice and stuck in the bushing. We're not going to be able to get it out, so we're going to be cutting on either side and then pulling the arm down. With our bolt cut, go ahead and remove the arm. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pop the rubber grommet off of the old arm. Just like that. Install the control arm. Install the bolt. Get the nut started. Install the bump stop. Install the spring into the control arm. Be sure that it's clocked correctly and that the tail is sitting in that groove. Push it up to the top isolator. Make sure it's sitting in. Install the jack under the control arm. Go up on the jack and push the arm into the knuckle. Use a soft face hammer to tap the knuckle down to meet the control arm. Get the holes lined up and install your bolt. Install the bolt. With the jack under our rear suspension, putting it at curb height, we're going to torque the cam bolt to 66 foot-pounds. Before you torque it, Try to line up the cam bolt to where it was when you took it off. Remove the jack. Torque the outside bolt to 66 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. Torque the wheels to 94 foot-pounds in a cross pattern. Once you're done with this job, take your car to a local shop and have them do an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.